How to see people liked posts. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see people liked posts on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you click on your profile, go to home for your page and choose one of users you want. But you should know that not every users make their liked video public because they make it private like I did me too, but this is especially the famous accounts. So for example, let's see this one, and here you can see this user liked video are private. So video like this are hide. So she hide all her liked video. This one too, like you see this user liked video are private. So this is it. You should go to your friends account, maybe their liked video are not private because they have a small account. All you need to do is that, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.